Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here, and today I will introduce with you. So let's go. First one is here. This is a momentum cooker. This color is yellow paste and pink color combination. There is the next one is here. This color is green, red with black combination also. This is a army tank. This is a third one is here. This is a police bike. This color is pink, paste and red color combination. And there is the next one is here. This is a airplane. This airplane color is purple and white color with some blue. There is the another one is here. This is a 3D ambulance. This is a pink color, a white color, and this color is peach color combination. Okay. And next one is here. This is a under construction vehicle truck. This is a under construction vehicle dump truck here, and this color is yellow, black, and red combination. There is the another one is a high-speed R17 bike, and this color is a yellow and black combination. So guys, here all of vehicles are so nice and beautiful also. And right now I will hand driving with one by one. So let's go, wasting any more time. First one is here, momentum to curve. Okay, I'll park here. Okay, there is the next one is here. This is a army tank, so I'll trying this army tank with my hand. Okay, I will park here besides of momentum to curve. Okay, there is the next one is a police bike. This police bike color is so nice, so let's go. Okay, I will park here besides of army tank. Okay, next one is here. This is a airplane, so let's go. I will trying this airplane. Okay, I will park here besides of police bike. So next one is a 3D ambulance car. So I'll trying this 3D ambulance car. So let's go. Okay, I will park here besides of airplane. Okay, next one is here. This is a under construction vehicle dump truck, so I'll trying this one. Okay, I'll park here besides of ambulance.